Welcome back. Let's see the GBP and ZD. I have predicted that it is going to go up. So pretty much it is still on the same page. But in the morning, I was getting the trade where I was having the shift of structure. But look at this. This is beautiful shift of structure. I'm not gonna lie. And also, we're above the beautiful EMA. I could easily take this trade and hit my stop loss. You know why? You know why I want took this trade? You wanna know? You wanna know? Okay, I will tell you. Because when I saw this weekly now, I was feeling weird. When there is an engulfing candle, back to back to engulfing candle, I didn't saw. I did saw when the market is bullish, but I didn't saw when the market is in bearish. Over here, the market was bearish, given the engulfing candle, came back so low and then bit little bit got higher. It gone higher. But right now, it just doesn't feel good to me. I mean, look at this. Like, this is going to create a candle like this? Like, to be honest with me, I just I have no words meant for this. Should not be on my plate. But let's keep it. Let's just see how it is going to happen. So, with going for GBP CAD, here we go.